Here's a quick overview of the portal. The portal is your personalized digital dashboard, providing you with an overview of your day, including latest emails, appointments, and up-to-the-minute news. You can also access the Connect Your Device guided tour, which will help you set up your email on your phone, quickly see how much email storage you are using, and save important emails to your portal for easy finding later. Stay up to date on the latest content from your favorite websites by adding RSS feeds. Just click Add Widget and select RSS feed. Copy the RSS feed URL and paste it in the box. Type in a description and click Save. The latest headlines will now appear in your portal. You can add additional widgets here, and you can easily rearrange your widgets. Just drag and drop. You can even respond to an email here. Just click on an email in the inbox widget to see a preview. You can send a reply, forward, or delete the email, and perform many other actions without having to leave the portal.